Hey YouTube, JW. Got the Super BlackHawk out. Not going to be the first time I've shot it, but I've only put about 6 rounds through it. It's been a while. I'm going to use these Hornady 225 grain flex tip. It's the Lever Revolution ammo. And I brought some of these hand loads with me. Let's see. Try a batch of these hand loads. He said they're like 250 grain. See what kind of pop we can get out of these big boys. There's my group. These ones that are shot off to the side was the first ones that I shot with the Hornady. And I moved up a little bit closer, and that was the group with the hand loads. Thanks for watching.